Hola, and welcome back to Kim at Home. If you have seen my series on commercial cleaning and residential cleaning, you are going to love this. This video is all about new build construction, post-construction cleaning. There are 3 cleans that are involved with this, and right now I am doing a final clean. If you are new here, my name is Kim, K-Y-M. In my videos, I do everything pertaining to home life, so just different things that go on as a mom, as a wife, as someone who works and has to manage the home. Before you leave out, please do not forget to hit subscribe and also show that like button some love, as it does help my channel.
My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. How can I love you when you're not around? How can I let you let me down, down, down?
For those of you who have been in a new build or have built a new home, you know that there is so much dust, sawdust, all kinds of just dust everywhere. So by the time I was finished filming this, I was covered in dust from head to toe. So a lot of times when you move into a new build, I don't think people realize what goes on during construction and how things happen. Again, there are 3 specific cleans before a person moves in that I'm handling. It's very detailed cleaning, very meticulous, and by the time your day is over, your hands hurt, your feet hurt, your legs hurt, but someone has to do it, right?
Complete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up.
The goal of getting this clean is to be sure that there is no excess caulk or paint, anything like that. Any kind of dirt or debris, I want to make sure all of that is taken up, as well as any kind of tape. A lot of times they put tape down as far as the painters or whomever, just to let you know, hey, this spot right here needs attention. But like I said, everything in here from head to toe needs to be wiped out.
But I'm telling you, it's closer than you know. I'm really trying to keep it cool now. Don't you see that you're a fool? Oh, it's time to open your eyes and let go.
There's really no telling how long this dirt has been in this bathtub, so you have to really put a lot of elbow grease into getting it cleaned off. And then if there's anything that settles as far as stains in the bathtub, I actually use acetone in order to remove those.
Could be you and I. Hey, let me explain. Can see the reason why it's not us. You know there's no one else than me you trust. You know it's truth deep inside. Won't you let it go? I'm sick and tired of seeing you in pain. Your head's in a haze. Won't you lean on me? I'll catch you if you fall. So take a leap of faith. Your fixed ideas clouding up.
When I first walked in and I saw these floors, I was thinking wow, these are really pretty. But upon further investigation, when I was cleaning them off, I realized that it's linoleum. I can't say that word. So it's cheap flooring, and anytime that something spills on it and you need to get it up, it'll take a gash out of the floor anytime you scrape it. So I had to leave a lot of the spots on the floor in order to save the floor. So hopefully they will take that into account when they are doing their rounds and seeing what everything looks like. Do you remember what this shower looked like prior to it being cleaned out? It was just filled with all kinds of debris and dirt, and now it looks great.
We gotta let go.
This is the second bathroom, and it's not really bad at all. The only thing that I really need to focus on is getting all of the paint splatters off of the sink, and then just, making sure that all of the dust is wiped off, all of the dirt, the debris, and all of that great stuff is cleaned up. How are you doing today? What have you been up to? What are you reading? What are you watching? I am watching Yellowstone again because I really enjoyed it, and I need to watch the last season anyway, so I figured I might as well get caught up. But what I'm looking forward to watching is a show called Top Boy. And the only thing that sucks about that is I have to wait until September for the very last season to come on. I must say that I have been really busy, but I'm really learning to what's important in life, so to speak, even though I do know what's important. But I had to step away from a position that I was really excited to take because I was being mentally abused. And the moment that you realize that you're being mentally abused, sometimes it's too late. And for me, I had been there for 40 days at that point, and I'm like, wait a minute. I'm not feeling right. Something's not right. And then after I took a deep breath, paid attention to what was going on and realized it, I just had to step away because at the end of the day, my mental health is so much more important than a job and money. Okay. You will have to let me know below in the comments if you are interested in knowing exactly what happened. If you're nosy like me, you'll want to know.
You can't keep holding on to your past. Get out, get under, and just relax. And that's what my friends are telling me. I wish it was easy, but it's not easy.
As far as the post-construction clean, I hope you learned something, and just knowing, exactly what happens to your home prior to you moving in is just really cool in my opinion. This day is my daughter's birthday, so we took her out to dinner. My oldest daughter was not able to attend because she was at work and she was sad, but we did take her something home.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Karia. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday.
Thank you again for being here. Bye, guys.